The string operator, also known as the concatenation operator, just allows us to join two strings together. As a matter of fact, we've looked at this stuff, so we're going to go ahead and join a couple strings together. So let's just write something like I'm sick, and concatenation operator is just done with the period, tired, and then this basically joins two strings together. So of course, in this situation, we could have done something like this, but just for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to split this string into two, and then we're going to join them with the concatenation operator. So let's do something else. I'm sick and tired of creating operator tutorials. This is, I don't even know how many, and I'm really getting tired of it. I want to do some fun stuff, not operator stuff, but I want to be thorough, and yeah. The concatenation operator gives us a clean way to basically go to the next line using one echo statement. So what we'll do is, for example, we'll say something like 2024 can't come soon enough. As soon as it does, and as you can see, we're starting to kind of venture too close to the edge of the screen. So we may want to split this up into multiple lines. So we could just say dot, and then move over to the next line, do another string. I'm getting that R34 GTR. So, and then of course, semicolon. 2024 can't come soon enough. As soon as it does, I'm getting that R34 GTR. Now, imagine if this was all just one line and my terminal was a little smaller. As you can see, it just kind of goes off. So that's why we would like to do this concatenation operator, so it could go to the next line. A lot of the other times we use concatenation is, for example, when we make some variables. So for example, let's say year is equal to 2020, make is equal to Nissan, and model is equal to GTR. Actually, I think there's a dash in GTR, but anyways, and then we could say, for example, car is equal to year, concatenate, for example, a space, and then we'll do a make, concatenate another space, and then we'll do a model. So we have 2020 space, Nissan space, GTR. So we can add the concatenation operator to do something like this, and in this case, we made a new variable called car. So then we could just say echo car, save it, go to the browser. Now we can take actually a look at all three of these. Refresh, string operator. I guess I didn't put these in div tags, but you get the point. Sick and tired of creating these tutorials. 2024 can't come soon enough. As you can see, there's no space right there. That's because I did not put a space right here. So, okay, we'll save that, refresh. Now we have that little space. 2024 can't come soon enough. As soon as it does, I'm getting the R34 GTR. And then 2020 Nissan GTRs, which is the last thing that we created. So that's pretty much it as far as a concatenation operator goes. I think I've dragged this thing out way too long. It just basically allows you to tie two strings together. In this situation, it's tying a variable, and it's creating a string as a new variable, and then we're just displaying that variable, echoing it out.